hang in there, because we're making it all happen. JB here on KGYS. Keep that glide in your stride. It's 10:18 in the AM, the mid-morning hour. 75 out at the ocean, and the surf report's good from Malibu to Newport Beach. So this next tune is for all you surfers out there. Hang 10.
Calvin? Huh? You alright? Nothing to escape through here. Now go on, get out of here. Calvin, not... Watch out! Honey. Good.
You here again?
That's right!
Oh, don't play in the streets, Calvin.
Your mama? Watch out!
Come on, Calvin. Got something for you now.
Don't get under a truck, Calvin.
Listen, I'd like to talk to someone and get some information about a social disease. Well, I can't right now. I'm working. Uh-huh. No. Not yet. Well, it's just kind of hanging there looking sick, you know?
I know you're digging it, because I dig playing it, baby.
Hey, Earl, you cool? I'm cool. Hey, what's happening?
And then after looks like the car wash there wants to play in the water.
Looking at ya. Hey, brothers, I'm here to unite with you. Oh, stone to the tits.
Say, Irwin, why don't you go down there with Lloyd and Floyd and work with the steam, huh?
Right.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think I better go work with the dryers. Mm-hmm.
Okay, kid?
Oh, wow. What a trip.
Hey, stop that horsing around, huh? Irwin, stop that fooling around, Irwin! Irwin!
You better go put on something dry.
Wash cars!
Yeah.
Come on, wash cars!
Wow, look at that. I'm the first human being to go through a car wash. Number one. Number one.
Hey, kid, this was no playground, huh?
How come all the other car washes got fancy brushes and you still wash cars by hand?
That's the feature of this car wash. We do it all by hand. The personal touch. I mean, can't you read the sign?
I think you're just too cheap to put in machines.
Come on, get out of here. Now, beat it, huh?
Because you want to keep yourself fresh and feminine, you want to use Wildflower for personal hygiene. Wildflower because it's made for you.
I drink it every day. Can you dig it? And when I do, it makes me go...
Sorry.
Hey, that's okay, baby. Te estás volviendo loco. You're my kind of woman.
Disco dance. First person to call me KGYS at 555 KGYS and name this song gets to win the first pair of tickets to JB's Disco Dancing Show, don't you know? Drop a dime, get on the line at 555 KGYS. Call me now.
What's that killer, man?
You mean I ain't got no time?
That killer, be funny, I tell you.
We have a winner in Compton. How about that?
Man, I knew the song didn't have no change, man. Quick as a flash, no cash TC.
The next song, DC, is Swanee River.
Yeah, I never liked you anyway, Slide.
Here, TC, you need a dime?
Yeah, thanks, man.
I mean, it's on me, brother.
Of course it's busy. It's a beauty salon. Just break in.
Vicky, darling, hold it in for Mommy. Come on, you can do it. No, if you have to throw up, do it out the window. Away from the car. Operator, this is urgent. Please, look, if they do come through, will you please phone me at this number? It's absolutely urgent that I talk to them. No, away from the car.
Hippo, you got yourself a customer, honey.
Oh, my God. Let's go to get the paint out. I told you for Mommy to throw up away from the car. Can you get it off? Can you get it off in a hurry before it wrecks the finish? You better get out of there. Come on out of there. I'm very late. Do you think it's going through the paint? Look at you. You're just... can you tell me where the...
Over there.
Thank you very much. You will hurry with this because the finish is going to be... Sir, if Monsieur Mark... If he calls, would you ask him to take me half an hour later, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
I think someone's in there, ma'am.
What? Someone... Please! Open up! Oh, God, please.
Miss Thing wants it clean, honey.
Charlie, come take over for me for a minute, all right?
What is going on in there? Why don't you open this door? God, please, God, open this door. Oh, my God, it stinks in here.
It's supposed to, lady. It's the toilet.
I'm not gonna go in there. It's the ladies' room.
There. What else? 6A11, 6A11, ambulance injury. 17
Beautiful. Stay with me, because we'll be giving away tickets all day so we can boogie all night. Get down, baby.